guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be trying on all of my face masks, and I also went out yesterday and purchased 3 more face masks because here in my country, if you're making masks mandatory, I have quite a few masks, which I love variety because I'm just like a walking crayon box. Okay, first mask I got is a really cute leopard print mask. It's adjustable. It also has like a wire right here, grabs right onto my face and kind of like suction cups to my face. Oh. This one is so cool. I love this one. This one is so sick. This one is also adjustable too. It has a wire on top of the nose also. Like suction cups onto my face. This sick. Next one I thought was really cute is this one. It's a little bear. I love it. And this also has a wire on it. I love music, and so I decided to get this one. It has a bunch of guitars on it, and they just go on like that. The next one I got is a green one with little cats on it. This one also has the wire on the nose. Well, basically all my masks, I should say, have wires in the nose part. This one's really cute because I love cats. And as you guys can see, the way the mask is, it kind of just stretches out. There is this mask here. I love like the flowers and the colors and just this one. And then the last one I thought was really cool because I love like the beach, the water. So I got this one, and boating of course. It's really cute. Okay, so that is all of my masks. I have quite a few masks, which I love variety. No, they have variety, they have patterns, they have cute faces, they have cool designs, they have instruments and sports and everything else. Anyways, I hope that you guys did enjoy this video. I hope that it did help you. And please wear a mask. Protect yourself, protect other people, protect your loved ones. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye, guys.